Good morning ka-friendship! At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork spare ribs caldereta. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. We have here the ingredients. We have here 200 grams pork spare ribs. We have here 1 piece potato, 2 pieces carrots, 1 tablespoon butter, 90 grams cheese, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 30 grams green olives, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, 2 pieces bell pepper, meron tayong green at meron tayong red, 2 pieces calamansi, meron tayo ditong 100 grams green peas, 1 piece cayenne pepper, meron tayo ditong 85 grams na liver spread, 150 grams tomato sauce, 150 grams tomato paste. Gagamit tayo ng Knorr liquid seasoning, cooking oil, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay ka-friendship, what we're going to do next is maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil sa ating preheated wok dahil ipiprito natin yung ating carrots at saka yung ating patatas. Habang nagpiprito tayo ka-friendship, maglalagay tayo ng konting asin. Kaya half fry lang natin yung ating carrots. Friendship, na prito na natin yung ating carrots. So what we are going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa wok at i-transfer natin sa plato na may paper towel to remove the excess oil. And i-set aside na lang muna natin siya ka-friendship. Ang next naman natin na ipiprito ka-friendship ay yung patatas. Gaya ng carrots, i-half-fry din natin siya. So, ayan ka-friendship, half-fry na yung ating patatas. So, i-remove din natin siya sa wok and then ilalagay sa plato na may paper towel to remove the excess oil. What we are going to do next ka-friendship, sa isang preheated na pan, ilalagay natin yung ating butter. Tapos, isusutay natin yung ating garlic. And then yung ating onion. Yung ating kamatis. At saka yung ating pork. Igigisa na lang muna natin si Del ka-friendship. Magdagdag tayo ng konting salt. At saka pepper. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan sa French chef hanggang maging golden brown yung ating pork or mag-render siya ng sarili niyang parts. Chef, golden brown na yung ating pork. So what we are going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating tomato sauce. I-mix lang natin siya. And then after that, dagdagan natin ng tubig. Just to make sure na maluto yung pork natin. So sa pagdagdag ng tubig, the boiling the better. Mas maganda siya ka-French chef kapag boiling water yung dinagdag ninyo. So ayan, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan hanggang maluto yung pork natin. So let's go back later. Okay, so ka-French chef, ayan na po, luto na po yung ating, or malambot na yung ating pork spare ribs. So what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating cheese. And then after that, yung ating peanut butter. At saka yung ating liver spread. Sinukin natin. So, mix lang natin siya ka-French chef. So, isi-simmer lang natin siya ng at least 2 minutes or hanggang matunaw yung ating peanut butter at saka yung ating cheese. At this point ka-French chef, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating green peas. At saka yung ating cayenne pepper or ang ating siling haba para sa konting anghang. And then pwede na natin idagdag yung ating half-fried na patatas at saka carrots. Then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating bell pepper. Dagdag tayo ng konting knorr liquid seasoning. Ayan. And then after that, yung ating green olives. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-French chef. Let's simmer for at least 2 minutes. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating tomato paste. So, ayan siya ka-French chef. lang natin very well. And then after that, check natin yung saltiness ng ating caldereta kung okay na. So, ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pork Spareribs Caldereta. So, ayan ka-friendship, luto na siya. Ready for serving na yung ating pork Spareribs Caldereta. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating pork Spareribs Caldereta. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that a positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.